One, two, three.
The Mid-Autumn Festival, also known as the Reunion Festival, is an occasion for us to come together with our families and friends. With the theme Full Moon United Hearts, this year's celebration is a wonderful opportunity for the WAS community to connect and enjoy traditional folk games, watch the lion dance, join the lantern parade, and participate in many other meaningful activities. This festival became a meaningful occasion for the entire WAS family to shine together with love, unity, and pride in our 15-year journey.